My name is Sonja, this is Nastasha. We are from Zebra Protection, a body armor company based in South Africa. We manufacture helmets, vests and plates in South Africa, and we are 95% an export company, so we export our products all over the world, but we also do sell to customers in South Africa, and we enjoy coming to France every year because it's a good meeting point for all our European as well as Middle Eastern, also American customers to come and see us here and showcase our products. So these are some of the helmets we manufacture in our factory in South Africa in Durban. And what I'd like to point out is that we've, over the last 10 years, put very big emphasis on going vertical within our operation, which means we are now weaving our own aramid to go into the helmets. We are now making our own bolts. So we are actually, all the components that go into the helmet, the 𝐸𝐴𝐺𝐬 mounts, are now made by our company internally, and even some things that are not quite internally made, for example the injection molding is done by companies that we've got direct control over. We own the molds, and they're also very well-known companies in our area that we are drawing back on. So yeah, that's really the one thing about Zebra, that when you're buying a Zebra helmet, you're buying a fully integrated product.